This strapless corset was designed using only this basic sloper. Today, we're going to transform it step by step into this professional design. I've already shared the basic sloper drafting tutorial on my channel, and now I'm going to copy that same pattern and use it to create this design. Materials you'll need: basic sloper pattern, glue, scissors, pencil and marker, measuring tape, pattern rulers. Let's get started. First, to draw the underbust line on both the front and back pattern, measure 8 centimeters down from the bust line and draw a straight line across. From the bust point, draw a circle with an 8 centimeter radius. From the side seam, measure 2 centimeters upward. On the center front, measure 3 centimeters up from the bust line. The curve above the bust depends on how much coverage you want. Just keep in mind that if it's raised too much, it may wrinkle and flip outward. I'm going to use 8 centimeters for this. Connect the points and feel free to use your drafting tools to draw a smooth curve. Be careful here, don't draw a straight line to the side seam. I'll slightly curve it for a better shape. Usually, the underbust measurement on the pattern is slightly different from the actual underbust measurement. We can adjust this difference through the dart. Get your measurements right. Start here. We'll adjust the 2 centimeter difference in the dart like this: 2/3 on this side and 1/3 on the other side. Now, draft the new dart the way I'm about to show you. Mark the bottom length of the corset, about 8 to 10 centimeters below the waistline. We're angling the dart slightly toward the center front and transferring it. This also creates the corset seam line. To do this, on the bottom corset line, measure 6 centimeters from the center front and mark the point. Then draw the main dart line. Mark the dart width on both sides of this line, then draw the new dart exactly as shown in the video. This section will be cut off. Mark the grain lines and indicate the pattern direction. To draft the back of the corset, measure 2 centimeters up on the side seam and 3.5 centimeters down on the center back. Then connect these 2 points with a slightly curved line, not a completely straight line. Mark the bottom length of the corset, about 8 to 10 centimeters below the waistline. For the lacing area, mark 1.5 centimeters from the bottom and 3 centimeters from the top on the center back. Then draw a line connecting them. Now, we'll do the same for the back. According to the design, we need to transfer the dart so that the seam line can be created. Measure 3 centimeters from the top toward the side seam and 2 centimeters from the bottom toward the center back. Then draw the new dart line accordingly. Now mark the dart width at the bottom on both sides of the new line. At the top, take in 2 centimeters to remove the gape. Then draw the new dart as shown in the video. I'll show you how to design this part in the next section. Measure 2 centimeters away from the lacing line and draw the seam line. Don't forget to mark the grain lines and number the matching seams. This is very important. Once you cut the pattern apart, the pieces can easily get mixed up and you might lose the top and bottom direction. Proper markings will keep everything in the correct position. One thing I forgot earlier is drafting the bottom of the corset. Measure 2 centimeters down from the center back and 2 centimeters up at the side seam. Then connect these two. For the front, go 2 centimeters down at the center front and 2 centimeters up at the side seam. Then connect them. Our design is complete. Now, let's cut the pattern. Would you like to see how I sew this corset? Tell me in the comments. If this area looks too sharp, be sure to refine and smooth the line. In the next videos, we'll move on to sewing this exact design step by step. Are you ready? Which method do you prefer? Flat pattern drafting or draping directly on the mannequin?